And another update from Zaphod Beeblebrox, the British tech guru, on the solar Morse transmitter. I do intend to change these relays out. I have a solid state relay on its way. It came from China and it should be here theoretically this week because it's in Butler North Carolina, or Butner, whatever it is, according to the tracking. Now, what I've done today, well, yesterday I took the dead battery back to Walmart and I was not very happy with it. I got my money back. I didn't get another lead acid battery. Instead, I remembered I had some 18650 batteries that I have never used. And they're all 3400 microamp hours, so 3.4 amp hours each. So that is 4 sets at 3.4 amp hours. So that is going to be, well, that's quite a bit actually. 4 3s are 12, 4 6s 24, 14 point something amp hours. So that is well worthwhile. They're a bit hard to get into the, there we are. They're a bit hard to get into the holders, but they're good. So let the charge controller take care of them. This charge controller, by the way, has a lithium setting. It's a standard PWM controller. I really don't need anything more than PWM. Oh, what's that? That's just come undone. Oh, that's not welcome. Okay. Okay, something's just come undone. I'll have to fix that. Anyway, it's standard PWM controller. And I'll fix that loose wire in a bit. And we'll be all set. So I'll be transmitting Morse code into the sky with my infrared floodlight. Anyway, that's all I've got for you today. I do have, as I said, a solid state relay on the way. It might be the next update. And I have a further idea. Beside me here, I don't know whether you can see it. There you go. It's a 20-foot shipping container. And my brilliant idea is to use the Christmas LED light strings and put them arranged on top. I won't buy them yet because they're still full price. I'll buy them after Christmas when they drop in price somewhat. And the plan is to put them on the roof of the container right up there in the shape of a large penis and have that flashing Morse code. Maybe have it flash Morse code something rude about Vladimir Putin, perhaps. I haven't got the Pico there programmed to transmit Morse in Russian, but I always can. It would be no problem. So there we go. That's all I have time for you today. This is the British Tech Guru, and I'm Zaphod Beeblebrox.